Welcome to the live session, London Live. Today is the last day of trading week, Friday. We can see that there was a huge move suddenly happened early today on gold. And this is the first live, as you know, that we will be also coming live another one. So make sure in the beginning of this session, you start looking at the chart. And let's see what kind of opportunity we have in the market. And with that said, let's begin our first day of trading week. Let me know if you have any question. And I would appreciate, before I begin this live session, if you give a thumbs up, smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So let's begin to see what happened with the gold. We have seen that early in Asian session there was a sudden breakout on gold, and with that breakout we can see that the market has made a big move, and then it has come down for a deeper pullback. We will be looking in depth into that matter, and then we'll see where we can find our next opportunity in the market. So let's look at one by one. Now, few traders are here. Let me know if you are here. Say yes, so that I can exactly know that you are here, so I can start the in-depth analysis of the market. Let's look at the chart, and I would appreciate if you just smash it before I begin further. The likes is going up. That's good. Thank you for the support to the channel. Okay. We can see that there was a breakout on gold, and then it's started to drop back again to the support level. This is the intraday time frame. From the daily, we have seen a breakout, and the market again coming to the support level. We'll be looking at in depth how we can analyze the chart. First, I want to see that everyone is present so that I can start doing the full multi-time frame analysis, starting with gold, and also we'll be looking at GBP, JPY to see overall direction in the market. Okay, so let's begin starting with here on I'll be starting with gold to see what's happening with the gold, and we might find another opportunity. Early today we had an opportunity on gold to take, and also I'll be discussing on that one as well. So first of all, let's see daily chart. I will be starting with the daily time frame, because daily is higher time frame. It's also neither a very higher nor a very lower time frame. It's a time frame that we can look at. Majority of the market will give us a good move, or good understanding of the price action on the daily. So let's look at what happened on gold on the daily time frame. This is the daily chart, and what you can see, there was a daily bullish engulfer followed by another daily candle here. Okay, so what you can see in that area, it's a long week daily candle. We have seen with the Asian open, the market has bounced to the upside to this resistance, and again we see that the price has dropped back to that daily support, and we had an incredible trade just in this London opening. Also, I'll be discussing on that trade on gold, what we have looked at in that trade. So if we look at the market here from the intraday and the daily, we saw a bounce. Now currently the price on a deeper pullback. So if we look at here, what do we see from the lower time frame? What we can see that this is the bounce happened early in Asian session, and the market has dropped back again to the support level. So this is a support where we can see another bounce, the price again coming back down to the downside again to create a new lower low. Looking at here on the this is the move here on gold. What we can see with this move, the market again has dropped. Now we have seen another reaction from the same support level. If you look at trader here, you can see that this is the move happened early on gold, and with this move the market has made a big bounce to the upside at the moment, and we also open a trade from that level. It's a successful trade, another successful gold trade that we have secured back to back. And let's see what did I looked at also in the trade. Also we'll be discussing, because what have worked out also will be helpful to look at. From the 1 hour chart, we can see the market again breaking below this level. So let's draw the daily support to see where we can expect gold to come. This is the daily support, and this is the daily open and close. This is an important support level, and with that support, what we can see that the market is in a level where you can see this is another breakdown here, and with this breakdown, okay traders, so let's see what we can see. You can see that gold, after breaking that low, the market started to bounce off that level. And if you closely look at on this instrument, what we can see that after breaking that high, the price has dropped to that level. Now there was a fundamental factor involved in this to break that support level on gold. And let me know, traders, what do you think, that what was the reason behind that unusual move on gold early today that we have seen that? and we would like to see in fact what was the reason, and we'll see why the market moving that way that it is moving. And we had an early today trade. When the market volatile is always good for us to look at the best trade possible in the market. So in the meantime, Sarvam, welcome. Island Cooking, good day, morning. Thank you very much. Thanks for profit. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we had a very good trade early on our VIP channel. Thank you very much. Yes, from Nigeria today. Whole may fly. Yeah, thank you very much. Gold. Yeah, we can see a very good move on gold. Good morning. Good morning. I made profit for gold. Yeah, Mercy, welcome. Thank you. Yeah, we had an amazing trade in the VIP community. Coach, have you called in any trade today? Yeah, we had a gold trade on the live trading room. I also sent out the same trade in the channel. So if you traders have secured profit, that's good one, and we wanna make more and more like that. And also I will be discussing in depth of what was the reason behind the trade, so that you can exactly know the strategy and learn the real rules of trading. And keep in mind that it's all about learning and growing as a trader. So make sure that you stick till the end of this live session to know exactly what is the reason behind the strategy. And in the meantime, if you are here, just give a thumbs up, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, now let's look at the trade that we have opened early today on gold, and then we will be also discussing in depth what we can look for the next one. Now, if I bring out the trade, this is the trade also I have shared in the VIP community. Okay, so this is our entry, stop loss, and take profit target. So we have closed earlier because we have seen a good move, and then we trailed that trade up to the and also I have updated to close with profit, and we have taken the trade with profit. Now let's look at, so that you guys know exactly next time when the trade is arising, you know exactly what do you need to look at when you are trading. So let's look at that trade that we have opened on gold. What did I looked at in this trade? Now if you look at here, you see this is the support level. Now this candle formed in the Asian session early today due to the fundamental factors, and we have seen that suddenly there was a huge breakout on gold. And with that breakout, when the market dropped back to that support level, if you look at when the market dropped that much of liquidity grab from the top, we have found that this is a significant level of support. And that's where you saw the liquidity grab happen. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we always look for the liquidity grab to find the trade in the market. And also if you look at, I shared the same trade, and also we traded in the live trading room, in exclusive VIP live trading room, where I execute all my trade with proper risk management. For those who already qualified for the live trading room, I would recommend you to, if you haven't yet, then there is we are taking few members in the mentorship program to access the exclusive live trading room, where you can see all my trade, and also you can see how I am managing the risk with proper entry, stop loss, and take profit. Can anyone confirm me in the live chat that you have made good profit on that gold trade on the VIP community? Will be helpful. So let's see how we can find our next opportunity. And in the meantime, if you still haven't accessed the live trading room and also join the community, we have few spots left. You can find link below this video in the description area. You can visit the website and then click join now button. You will be able to join. I would recommend you to join the lifetime access plan, where you can access everything that we have, all the strategies, tools, and also that you can access the exclusive live trading room, where you will have the opportunity to trade with me in the live market. So this is an opportunity we might close the member taking, because we have a big number of members has come on board, and I just want to make sure that whoever coming are getting the best of the community as we are growing in a fastest way. So make sure you take the opportunity before we close taking the membership for unlimited time. You can find link below this video in the description area. Now let's see where is our next opportunity to take another trade on gold. Now if I look at the daily chart again, I would like to look at the daily because this is where you can see the market has come down here and respected. Initially we have seen a bounce. Now let's see, today is Friday, last day of trading week. From the weekly perspective, if we look at, it's a bullish market. Okay, so you can see that it's a long-term bull market, and today is the last day of trading week. Any pullback towards the downside will be an opportunity to go long again. So if we look at the daily, also we see that the market is strongly bullish. And with that said, let's see, dropping down to very lower time frame for entry opportunity. Here a bit of consolidation, but what I think that it might try to break 2370, 374 level. If break that level, might give us another entry opportunity. Patience is key. Let's see, even we could see rejection from that level. So we will be watching the price action for another entry opportunity. And in the meantime, Usman, welcome. Good morning, sir, everyone. Thank you very much. I've waked up good profit. Thank you very much. Morena, welcome. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. It's being a trader means that always looking for the opportunity coming in the market, looking for the profitable trading opportunity, and also doing proper risk management, which is also essential as a trader. I have a question. Do you know proper risk management? Anyone here can confidently tell that, yeah, I do proper risk management. In fact, this is the most important part in your trading. If you're not doing the risk management, then chances that, over the long term, you're not gonna be profitable. So can anyone here can tell me what is risk management? It's also important that you know exactly what is risk management. Good morning, welcome. Okay, guys, and also I see that the view and likes are very disproportional. Do you mind give a thumbs up? Once you like this stream, it shows to more people. Also, you are supporting the channel, and also I am committed to give the best education and everything possible in this live session, as well as I do post a lot of content every week. Okay, so here is, we can see that gold, you can see from the lower time frame, the market again forming series of lower high. I think seller, a bit of pressure here from the seller. We might see a bit of downside possible on gold from that level. And once we find entry, we'll be definitely looking for entry opportunity on gold. And also I will be looking at Gbpusd and also the euro dollar to see what the market is doing. On GJ, there was a manipulation here, a big manipulation on Gbpusd, and with that manipulation we can see that the market has made a big move towards the upside here. So let me see what kind of opportunity we have on GJ. Also, I'll be doing the full analysis on Gbpusd. Hello, sir. How to join with you economically? What do you mean by economically? So basically, you can join with me in this live session for free. But if you want to access the real trading, that real trading secret, that you want to know my strategy, then there is a website link below this video. Is there any coupon available to join Academy Coach? Martian, look, we had a giveaway last week. The coupon is ended, but let me see, let me see if I have anything to share with you. Look, the coupon is ended, but let me extend our one coupon that I have. We had few members in the past join. Let me extend that to for some of the members who really want to. First, I want to know that you guys are on that. So let me do it for you, traders. It's important that okay, Martina, look, I have the coupon is ended, but I have extended our 70% off that the $200 coupon for some of the members today want to join, and this coupon will be valid only for 24 hours. So right now you can use it only on the lifetime access checkout. So I'll share with you the coupon right now. So make sure you use it straight away, because as soon as I'm giving it, will be taken someone else. The number is limited because we cannot take unlimited number of people. You will only take those are serious and really passionate about trading. So you can use that coupon right now. 70% off that was ended, but I have extended for few members. It's a $200 worth of coupon. You can use it on the lifetime access checkout. You make sure that you use it straight away, because if you are not using, someone else will use it and it's gonna be ended tonight. So make sure that you use it to access everything, including the liquidity candle, TF strategy candle, and all the tools that I am using. One of the greatest recent development in our academy is our liquidity candle finder. So if you look at here on Gbpusd, you can see that there are back-to-back 3 liquidity candle formation, and you can use this tool to find that liquidity candle. This one, it's if you take this trade, for example, make sure you always do the risk management. Nothing is guaranteed in trading. It's all about probability. So if you look at here, you can see that this trade can be traded. This trade is up to almost 7 times reached. I normally keep 5 times. The other one also a big winner. This one has gone to the profit zone but has come back again. So it's also now moving to the upside. So liquidity candle finder also included in your lifetime access membership, where you can access everything. I can give you for free, but you need to learn the rules of the strategies. Once you join the academy, you can get access to all the materials where you can learn and grow as a trader. So now see the GJ here, we can see a bit of downside after this bullish move. The price now coming to that liquidity zone. Let me see. So lower time frame, we can see that Gbpusd trying to create an upside bias here. Okay, so what we can see, GJ has created a bullish impulse. It's come back down for a pullback. This is the 5-minute chart. I would look for bullish setup here. The only thing that we are a bit of the problem here is this is the intraday time frame from 4 hour, and we have seen a big rejection. And if the market is coming for a deeper pullback, we can look for bullish entry here. This market is a bull market, and I wanted to see a bit of downside here. double doji formation. Let's look at gold. You can see that gold again has broken that support. Many people here, we might see an upside on gold. Okay, trader, we see that there is a bit of rejection on gold, and okay, I will be opening another buy on gold. Make sure, guys, you do proper risk management with a around it will be around 50 pip stop loss in the trade, 45 pip to 44 pip buy on gold, and I will be opening by market. My TP target will be in that zone, in this liquidity zone, expecting gold to have another rejection here. We can see that there is a primary bounce on gold, and make sure you also do the proper risk management. As I mentioned, I'm going long again on gold from this level. Stop loss will be at 2377, and TP target on this I will be targeting here, which will be, so I'm long on gold, and it's a short-term trade. We will be waiting for upside, and then we can look for if the market moves back up, we can look for taking profit. But make sure that you do proper risk management. It is possible for the price to drop further to grab more liquidity, as this market is very volatile at the moment. So must do the proper risk management if you are opening the trade. So you have open buy again on gold, and because the market, you see that there is another breakdown here, and this is a very important level of support from the intraday. If we look at the 4 hour, where we can see there is a this is a red candle, which is a doji here. We might see a bit of consolidation, but I'm expecting for the price to go ahead and retest again in that area, and that's what we will be taking the profit if we see enough bounce. There is a weakless candle here, expecting gold to go up and to give us some profit in that area. We see primarily there is a 5 minutes candle closed. So the trade that I opened started to move in the profit zone at the moment. This is the second trade, second gold trade that we have opened. The first one we have secured with profit. The second one that I want to make sure that also going up, or let's see if it is trying to, and I expected a bit of upside bias. Okay, there is a consolidation here, and are you guys with me? So this is where so we are again at our entry. And in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, can you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Did you do that? That's awesome. Thanks for the support to the channel. Okay, we see a bit of upside on gold as we open a buy. And okay, I want to take some profit here as well. This is the second trade. The first trade we have successfully closed with a very good amount of profit. We have taken 2 times profit on the first one. We bought from here. The second one also I would like to see it's going up for us to give some profit as well. So want to keep 100% winner for the day. Both of them gold trade today. And there's an inverted head and shoulder formation. Are you guys with me? So let's see if we can see a bounce here. If we see another bounce, then we will be taking the profit. Now, in our previous trade, this one, our first trade that we have today, closed with a good amount of profit in it. And we want to secure this one also, some profit if the market is moving up. Make sure you do proper risk management. Anytime the trade might go the other way, so which is possible anytime. So make sure you do proper risk management. The key in being profitable trader is doing the risk management. It's not about always, winning a trade. It's not about anything else. It's more of doing the proper risk management. We see the price started to move up. And yeah, we see a good move happening on gold. Are you guys with me? Running profit on that. Okay, running profit. Let's see how the market is moving. Now, yesterday also in our live session, you guys have seen that in our NY live, we have secured also a profitable trade on gold. This is the second trade, third trade in a row that's winning. Guys, Do you think that trading is hard? Let me know in the live chat. If you think that trading is hard, then let me know. Do you see that when we are trading here, doesn't it look easy? It's all about belief, strong commitment, learning the risk management, having proper strategy. All right, that's the key. Having a strategy is the key to be profitable as a trader. So even if the trade didn't go in your favor, it's still you can remain profitable by doing proper risk management, having a strategy, and you know that in what situation you should be opening, buying, or selling. All right, so it's the key to have a strategy that will give you an edge in the market. And also, if you want to know why I have bought here gold, to learn the strategy, make sure you are not missing any part of this live session by staying fully attentive, because here you will be learning the real trading strategy, the smart money concept that I am trading every single day. Because the market is moved by the smart money, and retail trader lose money, smart money makes money. So if you want to make money, then you need to trade like the smart money. All right, all the strategy that I use is based on the smart money concept. All the tools that I use also based on smart money concept. Now, if you look at my liquidity candle, you see that in this whole move, where do you see the liquidity candle? Can you guys spot that? This is the liquidity candle, you can see. And look at that liquidity candle, what happened when it is showing in the chart. And from that zone, the market made this move. Okay. Now, if you know how to identify that liquidity candle, it becomes much easier. Now, this is not only a candle finder, it is the strategy that I am trading every single day. Because when the market grab liquidity, it is a smart money trading concept. It is where the market grabbed the liquidity, formed that liquidity candle, and made that move, right? This is what I'm teaching every single day to the community, because really I want to give what I have learned so far. I was also losing money one day like all of you, but over time, what I have learned, what I have seen, that actually trader not doing it in the right way. That is why it's important that you do everything in the right way. All right, you need to trade based on the smart money trading concept, not like the retail trader, because retail trader trade against the trend in majority of the time. So make sure you learn that the real trading concept and apply the risk management. Having a trading plan also very important. If you don't have a trading plan, I have something to give away. You can go to the description of this video. There is a free trading plan available for you to download, write it for yourself, and then use it every single day. In the trading plan, you will find a component, okay, objective. So you need to have an objective of your trade in your trading plan. What is objective? Objective is the emotional component of your trading, why you are trading, right? For example, you can write it down. Okay, this is my goal. I want to quit 9 to 5, or maybe travel the world, or I want to be a profitable trader for doing that. So when you write that down, it straight goes to your brain, and that becomes oiled in your brain, so that you can stay consistent in your trading approach. Consistent doesn't mean that you win every trade, but consistent means that you remain disciplined in your approach doing the risk management. Okay, so make sure you take that full advantage. Download the trading plan for free. You can find below this video and rewrite it for yourself. Let's see what's happening with gold here. I was expecting it to bounce, but we can see a bit of downside here. Might be if we need to exit, we will be doing, or if we see possibility to go up, then we will be holding it. I'm running in profit, but let's see what it is trying to do here. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. Sometimes looking at 1 minute also will give you a bit of understanding. Okay, we see a bit of, after this bullish candle, the market trying to bounce. Okay, so yeah, we are in the right direction, expecting to go up and break that high. Are you guys with me? Let me know. Running in good profit. Okay guys, so we have another trade running in profit. Would like to see what we can do here. Cool. Moving in profit. Okay, running in good profit. Now because there is a rejection here, I will be taking the profit right now on gold, and if we need to enter again, we will be entering again. I'm taking the profit on gold at the moment from this level. If you are running profit, it's up to you how you want to manage. I have taken the profit to keep the winning streak on. Here a bit of rejection might happen from the top. I have taken profit on gold and we want to enter again. If we find this is the in our previous trade we had a big one, so this is a bit of a smaller one, but it's still a winner, which is the key here. I believe that you guys also running in profit, so I have secured the profit on gold and we will be re-entering again, because here here it might manipulate again. So I have taken that, and if we need to re-enter, we will be re-entering again. So let's keep watching the price action. Let me know what did you do with your trade, and also if you secure profit, give a thumbs up here guys. We see that running profit, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I see that likes is only 38, view is 110. Would you mind giving a thumbs up? Okay, thanks for, can you make it to 50? And we see the market is still appreciating in the direction. We will be entering again once we find another entry. What's the status of your trade at the moment? I'm in gold too, thank you. No, I'm not in profit. Okay, so well done. It's hard, it's just an emotional battle with yourself. Yeah. Okay, in the meantime, we see a bit of upside, which is good, and I'll take a 30 seconds break and coming back. In the meantime, let me know how are you doing. Yep, I'm back. So let's see what's happening here. And did you guys secured some profit here? I hope that you guys have secured some profit. Thank you. Welcome. Yes, I'm interested. Thank you. Zero greetings, coach. I tried the coupon, but it states expired. Okay, let me see. I think we need to recreate. As I mentioned, it's expired. So let me bring that up for you again. New one. Okay, traders. So I have updated another coupon. I'm giving it, sharing with you here. So this is the coupon that can be used in the lifetime access. So I have given you the coupon in the lifetime in the live chat. Martina, you can use it right now before it get expired, because whenever the number will be filled, the coupon might get expired. And also we'll be looking at another trade. So make sure you stick till the end of this live session. And I'll be discussing in depth the strategy and reason behind the trade. It's important that you always use it. So let's see what kind of price action gold is making. My dear student. Okay, traders. So I have updated the coupon for another another entry. So if you still didn't use the coupon, that's gonna be this is a rare opportunity coming for another $200 that you can get right now joining the lifetime access, and it's gonna be ending as soon as it's taken. It's gonna be expired. We have only few limited number to use with that coupon, so you can use it on the website checkout. You can find the link below this video of the website. Also, I'm sharing with you the website link here in the live chat. So once you visit the website, click join now button, then you will be able to join and access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, including the liquidity candle finder, including all the strategies, and also Zoom classes where you will be guided by me in the journey of your trading. So make sure you take the opportunity. We have back-to-back. This is our just pre-London session trade we have opened in our exclusive live trading room. So once you are here, you can get access to the live trading room where you will be able to trade with me in live market every single day. Okay, now let's look at Next opportunity. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, GJ. Yeah, absolutely. Gold will go down. Thank you. Are you in trade? No, I'm out with profit. So link was mentioning 30%. Kindly send me 70% coupon. So it's 70% coupon, Sanjay. So basically, it will give you another additional $200 off on top of what you are getting, which is only for limited number. So just click join now button and then use it on the website, lifetime access checkout. Yeah. The coupon is working well. $200 off on top. That's only for limited number and limited time. So don't miss out right now. You can use it. Sir, what is your win percentage? Dakesh, we have an incredible winning rate that we are doing every day. So we have an incredible winning rate. You guys can see on the screen the winning rate. Okay, so here what we can expect for the next move, we can see that gold. Now, why did I open twice? Both of these trade today, we have successfully opened from this level on gold. Now, what was the reason that I have selected that level on gold is because this is an important level of support and the market is getting a multiple rejection from the support level. Now this support might get respected and bounce back up, or we might see further break because there was a big move happen from here. It might try to break the low and then could get back up, or it might just retest and then continue towards the upside. So let's see what the market is doing here. We see a bit of consolidation, but it's still bullish bias in the market. Thank you for joining, Martina, welcome. Now, what we see on gold in that area? We can see that the market is still showing that bullish bias, and what I think that we could see that okay, here what we can expect on, let me see the next step that we can take in our, now it's gathering liquidity here. Okay guys, so you see that gold is still moving in that direction, and I want to see that another entry. I want to see another entry. Okay guys, so you can see that gold is basically moving back to the upside after grabbing multiple liquidity. This is a very important liquidity zone, and we have used that liquidity zone to find a potential entry here. What is our next entry point? Let's look at that area that we can find that entry opportunity. And here you can see after breaking that low, it has gone back up for deeper liquidity grab. And at this point, if we look at the 4-hour candle closed, we have seen there is a 4-hour candle closed here. And with this candle closed, there is a doji formation. Now this doji on the 4-hour, this doji is also a liquidity candle. It's a powerful bullish candle. Now it doesn't mean that the price is just going back up again. It might form another doji. It might grab another liquidity. So this is what I think, that we might see another amount of liquidity grab here, but ultimately we could see the price is moving in the major direction of the trend, because there was a massive bullish move here happen, which is basically huge buying pressure came early today, and that has given gold a very strong momentum in it. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you smash the like button. I see that likes is 50, views more than 100. So can you smash it to 100? Thanks for your support to the channel. And in the meantime, let me see what we can look at. I think this week not in profit. Why not in profit? Hard. Why? I don't think trading is hard with quality info. Yes, absolutely. That's what it is. Trading is not hard if you have the right information, right tool, right strategy, right guidance. It's easy with discipline. Yeah, absolutely. That's what it is. So it's easy with discipline. That's the key. It's hard. Yeah, it's the emotional battle that you need to understand. Emotion is understanding emotion coming with trading is the key to be profitable as a trader, which is the main purpose in trading, is to look at the bigger picture and then combat that emotion. So how can you handle the emotion coming with you trading? Also looking at a bit of deeper perspective will help you to also understand that emotion. Let's look at why does the emotion comes in trading. Let's look at the deep inside, so that you know exactly where it is and how you can overcome that. If we look at our brain, now look at our brain, is, you see, this is our brain, and the middle part, which is the amygdala, where which is the emotional brain. Okay, so all the emotion generate from that midbrain, which is the reptilian brain. Now why does generate so much emotion in trading from that part of the brain? Is because Very simple. The brain, everything consider as friend or threat, right? We think that, okay, this is our 40, 50, 60 years of age, or maybe 20 years, 30 years older, and we think that this is all about. But if you look at the brain operate from millions of years of information inside the brain, right? Because all the data through genetic information, all in our gene, right? So imagine that millions of years, day in, day out, our parents, ancestors used to live in the cave. And when they're living in the cave, they lived in a survival, which is the flight and fight response in the brain. So if there is any threat, a lion came, the brain switched to fight and flight response. It generates that fear to turn that brain into flight and fight response so that it can battle with the lion. So either fight with the lion or leave that place, right? That's what fear does, which is interrelated. Now, in the modern world, why does the trading involve? Is because the meaning behind we put it, okay? So for example, internally we create a meaning for everything, right? So let's say you open a trade and you put it internally, we label it, okay, if this trade is going up and the other one is going in my direction, 10 trade going up, then I will be successful. This is my success. And then when you see a red figure, that's turned into a threat to the success that you want to reach. So which is why the brain generates the same emotion as when we were in the cave doing the same thing. But it's modern world, right? There is no lion here. So rewiring brain is the key. So how do you do that? But as a matter of fact, when you can accept those red figure and remain calm, that is where you can remain profitable over the long term, because you need more winner, few loser, or bigger winner, smaller loser. So that loser you need to remain calm and controlled when the market not going in your favor. But when the market, the brain turned into fight and flight response, that's where we started to act irrationally, okay? Adding position, or maybe doubling up the risk, or maybe moving the stop loss, all of them, the main reason why traders lose money. So this is where, now how can you combat that? Well, the first thing you need to understand is that this is why the fear generates, the emotion comes. Then how can you look at the bigger picture? There is another way, is when you look at the bigger picture, set a goal, think about what will happen if you are successful in 2 years of time, okay, 3 years of time. So when you set clear picture where you want to go, the smaller win will not impact your trading results, okay? So write down today, what do you want out of trading, what is your goal, and where do you want to go. And the trading plan that you can find below this video in the description, you can download it for free, will be also helpful to know the risk management, to know the objective of your trading. Thank you. What do you think about I'm not in, okay, to profit. Thank you very much. Book $12, welcome. Still holding on gold, yes. What about Gbpusd? Yeah. Gbpusd, I will be looking at that. Thanks for that. And the next thing that we need to do is okay, so now let's look at on GJ. Also, we'll be looking at Gbpusd, how we can find a next entry on GJ. What do you think about the scammers? What do I think about the scammers? Or you are asking to anyone? Scammers are scammers. They just find passion in scamming. So the only thing that you can do is don't think about the scammers, because anything you think will become your reality. Okay, that's how it works. So just be aware of everything, and that will be helpful. What will give in Zoom? Okay, very good question. So in Zoom I will be explaining the core strategy that I'm using in trading. All right, so if you want to open trade, find position, you need to understand the strategy. You need to know what is the strategy behind how you can use it. So that is in Zoom that you will be learning. And also in the live trading room, I will be opening trade in the Zoom and explaining to you the risk management, and also following along the trade from start to finish. That we did today, our first trade, this one, the gold one. Many of the member in the live trading room have joined the trade, and also it was an incredible trade that we have opened in the live trading room. That's where you will be getting everything once you join here. What about Gbpjpy? So Gbpjpy, I will be looking at that. Okay, looking forward to learning from you, Martina. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for joining today. Any chance for gold testing 2374? Let's see what it is doing. Okay, now let's see. We have seen that gold here. Let me look at what else we have. With the Gbpjpy. Okay, we see a bit of bounce on euro dollar. Looking at Gbpjpy and also euro dollar. Let's look at the GJ, what it is doing. Now, if we look at the Gbpjpy, looking at the daily chart, this is the daily chart on GJ, and we can see that from here there was a massive bounce on Gbpjpy from this support level, and with that support on GJ from the daily, this breakdown on GJ was basically a massive liquidity grab. Let's look at the weekly chart as well to see overall picture in the market. We have seen that the price basically retested the weekly support. If we look at the monthly, we can see also this is a long-term bullish market. Now looking at the daily, where we can see it's a massive bullish rejection to the upside on GJ. And if we look at the lower time frame here on the 4-hour, where we can see the market has made a big rejection followed by a bit of weaker response from the buyers. And looking at the lower time frame here, what we can see, this is an impulse here, correction, impulse, correction. So what we can see on GJ, that locally we can see a bullish momentum here on GJ, and looking for the lower time frame, an impulse, narrow correction, impulse correction. So the price is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is a long-term bull market. And locally we saw this breakdown on GJ basically was a pure liquidity grab, and from this level it made this much of liquidity grab that prepared for an upside bias here. So looking at the lower time frame, any pullback again will give us an entry. Now you see that we more often find entry. Very surprisingly, we'll be waiting for that to happen. Once we find that entry opportunity, we'll be looking to enter. Okay, once we find that, and let's look at, so we have seen GJ, the market structure is bullish. This is the impulse correction, impulse correction. The price is creating series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. We might see bullish momentum here on Gbpsd, and would like to see further probability. There's quite a few long week rejection here. So if it is a strongly rising market, I would look for bullish, but at the moment there is a bit of resistance coming here. So you might see a deeper pullback here. We'll be waiting to see what's happening with the gold. We can see that after we take the profit, gold is coming for another drop. So now what we might see in gold is for the price to break that low again. You see that this is the 4 hours candles, and the price was maintaining series of higher low. So any break of this series of higher low will give an entry opportunity on gold. Let's see how far it goes. And in the meantime, I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Okay, so here is I would like to see that what's happening with the euro dollar and also other pairs as well. Let's quickly look at a bit of wider picture on majority of the pairs. We saw early there was a GBP news has been released, and we have seen a rejection with the GBP news. So basically it has given a bit of momentum, but if we look at the Gbpusd, long-term picture is bullish, bearish, pardon me, bearish. So there is a weekly bearish candle followed by this weekly candle. So far, today is the last day of trading week. We see a potential doji formation, and looking at the daily chart here, we can see that there is a daily pin bar forming. So this one, yeah, there isn't much movement here in that area, so we'll be leaving it as it is. Dollar yen, also there is a massive manipulation yesterday, and that manipulation on dollar yen basically it's giving a probability to bounce back up again to create a new higher high. Okay, and I came back to gold again to see. Now gold is we might see now a retest of the 2373 possible, but still will not be shorting here because there was a big bounce here. I want to see the price again getting another rejection here to the upside, as if you look at the weekly chart, we see that gold basically it's a bull market, and that is why both of these trade early today we have opened. One is our VIP live trading room trade that during the London session that we have opened, and we have secured a very good profit on that. The other one in this live session, which was a bit smaller win, but still we are winner back to back, 3 to 4 trade on gold in the row. And I would like to see some kind of, in this kind of market, winning continuously is sometimes hard, I know, but if you have the right strategy, it's much easier for you to do that. Make sure you collect the strategy, use it, and then trade with the trend. That's the key. Gold will go down, so don't take buy, please. Okay, we see that downside here on this one, and I will be looking at for this drop again to see where is our next opportunity. With this drop, basically we might see now it might try to come back here to this support, and once we see the market has retested, get a strong rejection, we might be able to find another entry, because the market left an imbalance here. If you look at gold, you can see it's a big imbalance in the market, and that imbalance basically can give another opportunity to trade to the upside. Okay, so we will be looking to see, as soon as we find any entry, we will be jumping on the trade. As you know that I do come on live on twice. There is another live coming up later today in our NY session. I would like to see you there, trader, trading live together. And I believe that you enjoyed this live session. If you found value in it, make sure you like and also subscribe. Make sure you press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. In addition to that, if you want to access the strategy that I am trading, join the live trading room. You can find link below this video in the description. We had extended a coupon that was ending tonight. You can use that additional $200 off given to access for limited time, only for limited number. It's getting ending, so it's getting ended, so make sure you use it. I'm sharing with you in the live chat again. Visit the website and join us to become a profitable professional trader with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And also, before I leave, I will be coming on live in just a matter of 2 to 3 hours. I would like to share with you the link, that recommended broker link. Also, you can find in the description of this video. You can use that to register and then to start trading. So with that said, thank you for joining the live session. I would like to see you there again, trading live together. Until that,